Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this gorgeous Audi A3 Sport Sportback. It's currently done 50,019 miles and it's had one previous owner from new. It's finished in the colour ice silver metallic, and if you'd like more information, please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Now let's take a look around the vehicle, starting at the front here. You do have daytime running lights. You have your Audi badge there in the centre with a nice chrome grille surround. You do have fog lamps as well, which is great when the visibility is poor. Coming around to the side, you do have 17-inch alloy wheels. Look very smart. And you do have your indicator integrated into the door mirror there. Now let's take a look inside at the rear of the vehicle. So inside, you've got this very nice cloth interior with two-tone black and grey. You've got a nice pattern in the centre of the seats as well. The right ISOFIX point, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in. There's also rear air conditioning vents, so rear passengers can benefit and be comfortable with the air conditioning. And now to the rear, you do have mud flaps, which keep the body nice and protected from any mud. Taking a look in the boot, you've got a very nice amount of boot space. You do have the tethering points, you can tie any loads down. You can easily fit a weekly shop in here. A nice feature you have underneath the boot floor is a spare wheel. It's great if you end up with a puncture, you can quickly change the wheel so you can continue with your journey. You have a handle up top allowing you to easily close the tailgate. You also have rear parking sensors as well to give you added confidence when reverse parking in tight spaces by making you more aware of your surroundings to the rear. Taking a look inside, you've got your leather multifunction steering wheel. You have your front seats here. You do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. And now that we've had a look around, I'm going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that it does have to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you have your electric mirror adjustments that include heating and folding. The folding is great as you can quickly fold your mirrors in to prevent them from being knocked if you're in a tighter space. It's also handy if you park on narrow roads, as you can keep them folded in to protect them from being knocked off by other road users when parked. You do have automatic headlights, so you don't have to worry about turning them on. They'll turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road. Now you have a display here in the centre of the dials in the instrument cluster, and it displays different information such as your miles to the gallon. You can select the date there. You can also change radio stations, so you don't have to mess around with the infotainment system. It's a nice feature to have, as you don't have to take your eyes too far off the road if you want to change the radio station or access your Bluetooth phone connectivity. You do have cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys. It means you don't have to keep your foot held on the accelerator the whole time, and you can arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less strain in your foot. Now in the centre here you have your infotainment screen, and on this you can access your DAB, FM and AM radio. It's very responsive and easy to use. It's controlled using the spinning dial and buttons in the centre console. Here you can see your DAB station list. You can access all different stations. Here you have your wave bands with your DAB, FM and AM. You can also connect your own source of audio. There's Bluetooth connectivity as well as SD input and CD. You also have Audi music interface, which you can connect your phone up with. You have your Bluetooth menu for making your hands-free phone calls, so you can keep up to date with whoever you need to on the go. You have your Audi Drive Select here, individual, dynamic, auto, comfort and efficiency. You can change these to enhance your driving experience and by changing them depending on your driving mood. It's a very straightforward system to use. Now below here you have your dual zone climate control that allows the driver and passenger to make their own preferred temperature choices. As you can see there, you can select your temperature for either side of the vehicle. It prevents any arguments on the driver and passenger being too hot or too cold. It allows you to set your own preferred temperature for your side of the vehicle. You have your fan speed in the centre there. You can also change the direction of airflow. You can recircle the air as well. You have a button for defrosting the front and rear windscreens. Some storage there with two cup holders. Thanks for watching this video on the Audi A3 Cylinder On Demand Sport Sportback. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.